my channel. My name is Chandler Darray, and I hope you guys are doing well. But before that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be, and if you need to be notified, you need to be notified when I'm uploading my videos. So make sure that you hit that bell so that you are notified accordingly. During this video, you will see my dog do some running. He is currently going through his zoomies because he has been up since I've been out. I just got back home and I decided that I was going to go ahead and record this video while I still feel like I look halfway decent. So today I'm back doing another review. This is my second video review, or honestly like 2.5, because I've talked about Dossier in a half of a video, then I did a full video, and this is me coming back with another full quick review about their products. So these two products that I'm actually going to be talking to you guys about today is the Oriental Lavender and then the Floriental Vanilla. Okay, so the Oriental Lavender is inspired by the Giorgio Armani, the Armani code perfume, and then we also have the Floriental Vanilla, which is inspired by the YSL Black Optimum perfume. So I had to bring those a little bit closer because I do not have on my glasses and I cannot see. But so these are the two different fragrances. This is the Oriental, this is the Floriental. And honestly, guys, I do just want to say I was in the process of moving, as you guys know, if you watched my previous video. And so they've actually been up for a good little bit. But I was rocking these hard in the summer, and my students really enjoyed it from this summer. So I actually really love these two. They've just actually been up for a good little minute, but let's actually get into the details of them. So we have our Oriental Lavender, like I said, which is inspired by a Giorgio Armani fragrance. So we have our high notes, which is lavender and grapefruit and bergamot. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. Sorry. Then we have our middle notes, and then we have our base notes, which has some cedar wood. So let's go ahead and spray this. This has a concentration of 15. Let's see. So this is actually the unisex one. I forgot I can't remember if I picked out. I like unisex. Unisex fragrances to me, I love, because I honestly do, even though I use Dr. Bronner's, I really do like the way men's body wash smells. And that's what this gives me, because it just smells clean. I love to just smell like, ooh, she just stepped out the shower. Like, I love that. And that's exactly what this is. I love this fragrance. I'm going to have to put this back into rotation tomorrow. Like I said, I literally just put them where they're going to go in my bathroom like yesterday. So that's what I mean by me just being able to pull them out. I did have 2 of them that I've just been wearing, and now they're really low, and now I'm sad. And then the Floriental. And this one, the Floriental Vanilla, high notes, pears, pink pepper, licorice, middle notes, jasmine, orange blossom, base note, cedarwood. So they both have a cedarwood base note, and I think that's kind of common in what I like. Just in general, like, yeah, like this one. Like I told you guys before, I'm not really big into fruity smells, but I really enjoy like clean. So this has a fruit high, but then at the bottom it kind of grounds it down to where it's not as like so fruity. And just personally, fruity stuff on me, I feel like just doesn't translate well. It just, to me, it just smells childish. But who am I? It may work for you. But yeah, love this one. This one also has a concentration of 15%. So as you know, Dossier prides themselves on their mission to deliver high quality luxury fragrances at half the price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. So you already know that. And then you also know that if you do not like the certain fragrance that you can send it back, and then they do donate that fragrance, which I think is super duper awesome. Instead of, you know, throwing it away, you know, upcycling. I'm always up for the upcycle, recycle, all of those things. So overall, Floriental is a daytime. If you're catching my drift, this is a work scent. This is a first date scent. The Oriental, Floriental, day party, fun, right? But still wanting to smell sophisticated. A brunch, a breakfast. You know, one of those big type of breakfasts at a, you know, convention center, tables, all that kind of thing. This boss, right? This is, I want him to know that I'm about my business when I first meet him. Since like that's what this one is. Like, oh, okay, like she got good credit and she clean. It don't smell like onion rings. Okay. This is the INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? That's what this is. This is cute. You cute, but I'm still smelling good. That's what this is. So if you guys have any other questions for me, definitely put them down below. And also, guys, like, how do you like this setup? Do you want me to do more of me in my living room space? I do seem to just have a tendency to record at night because I feel like, honestly, I'm a night owl. And so it is what it is. One day, maybe you guys will actually see me during the daytime. But as of right now, it's almost 1 o'clock. And I'm about to go to sleep because I gotta go be at work in the morning. But let me know what you guys think about the backdrop, please. I don't know if it'll change, but I definitely would love to hear your thoughts. But until next time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification so you are notified when I upload content, because we know it's not consistent, so you should be notified. And that's just that on that. Bye.